Last week, WordPress made a big announcement and a big change that's coming, and I think a lot of website owners probably didn't appreciate or even registered what it is. Matt Mullenweg announced a new initiative called PROTECT the Shire, and this is way more important than just looking after a few hobbits. So when you've now got WordPress plugins and themes, and normally whenever they're released you get an automatic update, or it might be within a certain amount of time, now it's going to be held back for 24 hours. And then eventually they will feed through as an automatic update. Now, when you hear that something that's been released is going to be held for 24 hours before you see the notification on your WordPress website, you might say, isn't that going to slow things down? But the actual reason is due to security. The WordPress team want to use a bit of AI to basically check what these updates are going to be doing, and from a security aspect as well, to make sure your websites are secure before it's pushed out to millions of websites out there. You have to appreciate that it's dead easy just to go and click auto update, or just update without really thinking about staging sites or making sure you know that if you do go and activate a plugin update, that it's actually not going to break your website. What I find quite interesting about this announcement is, whereas a lot of people are using AI to improve or make their design building more efficient, or just to chuck out websites as quick as possible, WordPress are using AI to actually protect your website a little bit better. So with more than 78,000 plugins out there, this could be a really big thing from the security aspect. Now, I will also say that this could slow things down. What if a plugin company or a theme developer needs to push out a critical fix, like a vulnerability? What happens then? Will it still go out? And what if the AI detects like a normal update and then it holds it back for longer because the AI was too harsh? Or what if it allows an update to not be held for 24 hours, but in actual fact they should have, because it caused a vulnerability or backdoor access to your website? We all know that with AI there's a lot of ways that you can get false positives, or you think you've got a solution but it actually was hallucinating. So it's going to be interesting to see how this pans out. This is not a flashy announcement, it's not even a really amazing new feature, but it could be one of the most important things that WordPress is doing to the ecosystem and plugins and theme updates than most of the announcements we've had all year.